today we are going to start with giant cell fibroma, which is a just modified way of fibroma. So you can say that when there are giant cells or the multinucleated giant cells are there in fibroma, it becomes giant cell fibroma. Moving ahead, what is it? It is nothing but again very much related to what we studied earlier. Like fibroma, it is also a oral cavity tumor. What are the clinical features? Now the clinical features here are very simple. We have to study this whole disorder in comparison to the fibroma. If you remember, then in fibroma most of the tumors which occurred were sessile, but here it can be sessile also and it can be pedunculated also. The chances are quite equal. The patient is usually asymptomatic and the nodule size is always less than 1 centimeter in diameter. Remember, in fibroma we studied that the size can be from few millimeters to various centimeters. Here the size is always going to be less than 1 centimeter. The diameter is going to be less than 1 centimeter. If we talk about the age predilection, it is usually between 10 to 30 years, whereas in case of fibroma, the age predilection was among 30 to 50, in between of 30 to 50 commonly. But this usually, the giant cell fibroma usually takes place in younger generation, that is from 10 to 30 years. No gender predilection is there. Gender predilection was there in fibroma. It was female predilected in your fibroma, and whereas in the giant cell fibroma there is no gender predilection. If you see, the common site of occurrence here is your mandibular gingiva, maxillary gingiva, your tongue and the palate. Okay, so the palate, the maxillary gingiva, the mandibular gingiva and your tongue, these are the common site of occurrence where this tumor can be seen. Whereas if you remember, in the fibroma the most common site was your buccal mucosa. This was the most common site. Now this is how exactly the lesion looks like, the tumor looks like. If you see, it is nothing but a kind of fibrous substance in the arch or in the oral cavity. So it is just a mass which has been accumulated. Now differential diagnosis: with which disorders can you confuse the giant cell fibroma? With squamous papilloma, which looks very much similar to it, the pyogenic granuloma and also fibroma. Now what are the histological features? If we look to the histological features, the giant cell fibroma are encapsulated. Remember this term very broadly, very nicely, that the giant cell fibroma is encapsulated mass of the fibrous connective tissue, and it consists of large lump of ciliate-shaped fibroblasts. Now what do you see? If this is the lesion, you will see that on the periphery of the lesion there will be ciliate shapes. Ciliate shapes are the star-shaped cells. Okay, so there are ciliate-shaped cells, ciliate-shaped fibroblasts which are seen on the periphery of the lesion. So ciliate-shaped fibroblasts are seen, which are large and plumpy, and also this is a encapsulated mass of connective tissue. Now also the cells are multinucleated, as the name itself is telling you. It is giant cell fibroma, so it is going to have multinucleated giant cells with it, which is making it a kind of neoplastic. Giant cell fibroma has long and thin retiridges. If you remember, in fibroma we studied that the retiridges there were small and thick, whereas here the retiridges are going to be long and thin. These are going to be some basic differential points through which you can differentiate. Okay, it is very important to remember histological features, because in appearance both fibroma and the giant cell fibroma, they both look very much similar in appearance. So the only feature to distinguish is the histological features. Now what is the treatment? For treatment, again you have to go for a conservative excision for the curative treatment. Later on you can send the sample for testing so that it comes to know that whether it is fibroma or it is giant cell fibroma. So this was all about giant cell fibroma. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.